This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can flip and rotate photos in Apple's Preview app on your Mac. Here I have a picture of a car, and let's say I want to rotate this photo. There are several ways you can do that. You can click the box with the arrow at the top of the app, and it only gives you the option of rotating left, so you can rotate that way. You can also click on Tools and then select Rotate Left or Rotate Right. And as you can see here, you also have some keyboard shortcuts. So if you want to rotate left, you do Command L. If you want to rotate right, you press Command R. Now, if you want to flip the photo, so say for instance, I want the front of the car to be facing the left. What you do is you click on Tools, and then you click Flip Horizontal. When you do that, now the car is facing the left. You can also flip vertically by pressing Tools and then selecting Flip Vertical. So this video shows you how to flip and rotate photos in Apple's Preview app on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.